Dear children, welcome to today's class. Hope you all are doing well. In the previous class, we studied about solar system. What is solar system? The solar system is made up of the sun and all of the smaller objects that move around it. Which are the 8 planets in the solar system? Correct. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Hope you all understood about these topics. Children, do you know? Ancient belief was that Earth was the center of the solar system. Copernicus was a geoscientist and astronomer from Poland questioned this belief. He announced to the world that Sun is at the center of the solar system. Galileo Galilei was an Italian physicist, astronomer, mathematician and philosopher started observing sky with a self-made telescope. He discovered 4 satellites of Jupiter. Children, let's see other members in the solar system. Asteroids, dwarf planets, meteors and comets are the other members in the solar system. Let's learn more about them. Asteroids are the rock fragments revolving around the Sun in between Mars and Jupiter. On rare occasions, they come towards the Earth and pose threat to the Earth. Ida is an example of asteroids. As they revolve around the Sun like planets, they are often called planetoids or minor planets also. Their number is very large and thousands of them have a diameter of more than 1 kilometer each. Children, have you heard about Pluto? Pluto was considered a planet till very recently. The International Astronomical Union withdrew its status and declared Pluto as a dwarf planet in 2006. What is called a dwarf planet? A celestial body to be considered as a planet, it should have spherical shape, should revolve around the Sun and should have its own obstacle-free orbit. The celestial bodies which do not follow these conditions set by the International Astronomical Union are called dwarf planets. Pluto crosses the orbit of Neptune and revolves around its own satellite, namely Charon. Instead of asteroids and dwarf planets, comets and meteors are also part of the solar system. Comets are lumps of cosmic dust and snow particles. They are rare visitors to the solar system. Their tail is formed as they approach the Sun and it glows in the sunlight. Though they revolve around the Sun, they come close to the Sun very rarely. The length and brightness of the comet's tail increase as it approaches the Sun. Some of the comets take hundreds or thousands of years to complete the revolution around the Sun. The tail of a comet is very long and it is always turned away from the Sun. One of the most well-known comets is Halley's Comet. It is visible every 75 years. Do you understand? Next, we will learn meteors. Rock fragments of various size which enter into the Earth's atmosphere are called meteors. They burn due to friction with air on entering into the atmosphere. What are called meteorites? The unburned remains of the meteors falling on the earth are called meteorites. This is the picture of a meteorite fallen in Namibia. When the meteorite enter into the atmosphere, they burn due to friction with air. Thus, atmosphere protects the earth from meteorite fall. Do you understand? Children, we learned about planets, satellites, asteroids, dwarf planets, comets and meteors. Hope you all understood about these topics well. Remaining part of this chapter will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.